So obviously another quick video. That's what you guys like. So I don't like to make these videos too long or need to be more than what they are. So basic story here. I've been going through some blades a lot lately with my table saw. Wanted to see what the best option is. Started cutting some resin after it dried and it cured. It was just too hard, and I thought maybe I could cut a sliver off. It was too close to the resin, so it ended up screwing up the blade. I used previously, I had a 60 tooth Diablo blade from Home Depot. This is great for just getting cross cuts, but ripping it works okay. But so unfortunately I had to go back to the Ryobi because I screwed up that blade so badly I had some work to do. So this is just terrible. If you're gonna do any rip cuts, just take this and just throw it in the garbage. It's ridiculous. So wanted something better that's gonna be great for my rip cuts and cross cuts and rip cuts. So I got the Diablo 50 tooth combination blade from Home Depot. This was about $38, I think it was $38 or so. Amazon might be a little bit different, but probably pretty similar. I've always liked the Diablo blades, especially for the miter saw over here, and I've used it. I have a new blade ready to go for my, I'll show you real quick here. I got the 5.5 inch to go on my circular saw. I'll install that and do that later, but all in all, this is a great blade. So just keep in mind that if you are planning on cutting anything like epoxy, just be careful and mindful that, hey, it might scrape your blade, and that's really not what it's designed for. So I had that blade for, I don't know, a couple of months maybe. So it got a fair amount of use, but unfortunately it's ruined. So it's a good blade. So just keep that in mind when you're looking for something. This is a great blade from Diablo. Keep an eye out, see if there's any sales or anything like that on Amazon. But all in all, great blade. Again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Please be sure to support this channel and like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.